Today we're going to look at a trailer that is often imitated but never duplicated, the ATC Quest CH305. Chance here with Complete Trailers. The model behind me is the CH305, like I mentioned earlier. This one happens to be a 28-foot long version. With that extra link comes the generator compartment here, which is really nice. You don't sacrifice any interior space by making the trailer 28-foot long. As you can see, it has all the nice aesthetic features you come to expect from us and ATC. Cast corners, polished aluminum trim, all the great features, not to mention the perimeter skirting, which you can see around the wheels there. Nice aluminum wheels. This model, which we almost always do this, which is put the premium escape door on the trailer. Reason for that is you can pull the car in, have that open, and open your car door and step right out. There's no winching involved, no squeezing by, no potentially damaging your beautiful car. So it's worth its weight in gold, I say. Per usual, as we do on the CH305, 405 models, we've got the 8-inch main frame, which, you know, that speaks for itself. Those massive tubes keep that trailer going on down the road for a long time. You don't have to worry about any capacities. With this, we've done 6,000-pound torsion axles. So you've got a GVWR of 12,000 pounds, which gives you all kinds of payload for your car, your gear, whatever it is. One of the coolest little features that we do here on the 28-foot version of the 305 is a 48-inch side door. What's great about that, as opposed to the standard 32-inch side doors, if you need to roll tires in, you know, fit wide objects through there, of course you can do that. You know, when we go into the inside of the trailer, 305 package, we've talked about it before, coin rubber flooring, which is great, looks good, holds up year after year, screwless aluminum walls, no different than what's on the outside of this trailer. Upper cabinets, lower cabinets, 50 amps of power, got multiple receptacles throughout the trailer. The 18-inch recessed LED lights in the ceiling, which of course just brighten that trailer up great. You know, with the white walls, it really keeps it bright in there. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check out our video. Great model, great size for this model. Remember, like, share, subscribe on YouTube. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are really doing some cool stuff on there. See what other people are doing with their trailers. We're posting a lot of cool stuff. Not to mention, we're keeping active on our story on Instagram. There's some great content on there. Feel free to send us a message, ask us some questions. We'd be happy to help.